From the company that created China's first integrated kitchen to the world's #1 whole house custom cabinetry manufacturer, OPPEIN has expanded the portfolio to kitchens, wardrobes, bathrooms, custom furniture, doors, windows, and everything under the whole house customization, turning into a comprehensive solution provider to offer consumers integrated design and one-stop service from one source. Expanding from single product development to whole house furnishing, we continuously advance in research and design, rely on intelligent manufacturing, and leverage resource integration to build a sub-brand strategy that meets diverse consumer needs. We are dedicated to helping every need find its solution and every family achieve their dream home. The development of whole house furnishing begins with a solid foundation of intelligent manufacturing. As one of the pioneers of customized cabinets in the global market, OPPEIN established 5 intelligent production sites in Tianjin, Qingyuan, Wuxi, Chengdu, and Wuhan, covering a total area over 3 million square meters. Our production scale and manufacturing strength are in the forefront of the global industry. At OPPEIN, every intelligent production line is a narrative of ingenuity. In order to continuously improve efficiency and quality, OPPEIN built up AI factories with digital technology innovation. We set the standard of large-scale, flexible customization with accurate manufacturing precision. In the future, Made by OPPEIN will become a Chinese business card to the global home furnishing market. From production scale to precision, and from manual to automated production, OPPEIN's promise also extends to eco-friendly manufacturing. We take environmental protection as the bottom line, dual carbon goals as the guideline, to draw a magnificent blueprint for sustainable home furnishing development. The innovation investment is what OPPEIN always insists. We have a forward-looking vision for product R&D and has built an integrated innovation system, from design guidance, technology revolution, to quality assurance. Standing at the forefront of the world's home furnishing design, OPPEIN has established the Italian Designer Alliance, the Milan Home Aesthetic Research Center, and the OPPEIN Italian Design Institute. We make every design scheme be thoroughly refined and truly touch the consumers. In order to understand the pain point of different families, OPPEIN creatively brings a number of customized design methodologies based on the consumer data accumulated over 30 years, which ensure the designs have both trendy look and caring details. Design development is supported by awarded National Industrial Design Center. OPPEIN also built up the National CNAS Laboratory in 2018, which serving all 5 manufacturing sites. The lab's test results are recognized by more than 100 countries and regions around the world. With the first-class testing system in the industry, OPPEIN ensures that every product meets international standards in terms of durability, safety, and environmental protection. From new products, craftsmanship, materials and technology development, to eco-friendly upgrading strategy, OPPEIN continues to promote the sustainable development of customized home furnishing industry with systematic innovation capability. Success is not just about the final goal, it's about the continuous act of beginning and exploring along the way. Focusing on the integrated design and manufacturing system, the vision of centralized planning and multi-site production coordination, OPPEIN has developed AI-powered CAXA design software and intelligent factory management platforms to realize the digitalization of the whole process, from product design to after-sales service. Intelligent design, one click for 3D rendering, quotation, and order placing. Integrated digitalization covers every stage to accomplish consumers' demands for exclusive dream home furnishing. Not only focusing on company development, OPPEIN cares about society as well. As the brand slogan says, where there is home and love, there is OPPEIN. OPPEIN never stops working on the way to help families around the world. We implemented the Loving Home Plan, launched the Caring Family Initiative, and set up the Guangzhou OPPEIN Public Welfare Foundation. From insisting on the family care plan to helping rural revitalization, OPPEIN has warmed thousands of families with solid actions. 3 decades of steady effort. That's what made OPPEIN the leader. Starting in China and reaching toward the world, OPPEIN is committed to serving tens of millions of families across the globe. Every new height is a starting point on the way of making OPPEIN's whole house customization become the world standard. OPPEIN is forging ahead to become a century-old enterprise and towards the world-class excellence. With the vision of bringing dream homes worldwide, we will never stop advancing and exploring.